What is up everyone, welcome back to the Smart Investor channel, and today we are going over SNDL stock. My name is Aviran, and in this channel we look for the best stocks in the stock market in our way to becoming rich. I will be talking about the company in general, their leadership, cash and debt, their brands, their financial reports for 2020, and I will give you my opinion about the company. I must say that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so before investing, do your own research. If you're new to this channel, you should definitely like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment I subscribe. Sundial Growers Inc was founded in 2006, and the company engages and licensed in production and marketing cannabis products for the adult use market in Canada. It produces and distributes inhalable products such as flower, pre-rolls, and vapes. The company offers its products under the Top Leaf, Sundial Cannabis, Palmetto, and Grasslands brands. We want to know about their management team, so let's make a quick check. Their CEO is Zachary George. He joined SNDL in the beginning of January. He's got more than 15 years of experience in alternative investments, evaluating opportunities across the capital structure of North American companies with a focus on real assets, and he's got experience of management and board capacities focused on restructuring and operational turnarounds, affecting corporate action, and implementing governance policies in order to maximize shareholder value. Guys, this is important because at this moment we are the investors. The second one is Andrew Strodier. He joined the company back in 2018 as a COO, but he was promoted and now is the president and the CEO of the company. He's got 15 years of experience in consumer packaged goods, including Chief Sales and Customer Officer. Their CFO is Jim Keogh, and he joined the company as a CFO in May 2018. He has 20 years of experience as a CFO of a diversified private company with operations in energy, real estate, and hospitality. So if we look at the three of them, they are experienced enough to run this business, and soon we're going to check their financial and operational results. Now let's make a quick check about their cash and debt. As we can see here, they have $720 million of cash and their debt is nil. They mention a market cap of $3.4 billion, but the real number as of now is $1.85 billion. Guys, the penny stock market got a hit last month, but I believe it will recover soon. So the company has 5 brands, and we're going to check every one of them. The first one and the most expensive is Top Leaf. In this one they have 2 products, the Oregon Golden and the second one is Pink Kush. The products arrive in 4 different formats: flower, pre-roll, vape, and concentrates. The second one is BC Weed Co. Legendary BC ground West Coast strains cultivated in small craft batches. The products here come as flower, vape, and concentrates. The third one is Sundial, experiential cannabis for the modern consumer. It focuses on crafting high-quality cannabis products through an experience-oriented portfolio of wallflower and full-spectrum vape and extract. So as we can see, the formats are flower, pre-roll, vape, oil, and topicals. The next one is Palmetto, which is quality weed, good to go. The formats for this one are joints, cards, and buds. And the last one, which has the lowest cost, is Grasslands. This is for people who like the simple thing. It comes in flower, vape, and concentrates. So in this one we can see what they're focused on. Most of the focus goes to the dry flower with 57%, vapes with 16%, pre-rolled with 13% and other kinds with 24%. The numbers are based on their sales from the beginning of October 2020 to the end of December. Let's just read what they said. The core inhalable segments, Sundial is focused on represent the vast majority of the Canadian adult use market in 2020. So as we can see here, in the dried flower, they're holding with 24%, with Palmetto it is 22%, Top Leaf with 15%, and BC Wheat Co. with 14%. In the vape, Sundial is leading with 41%, Palmetto with 23%, Top Leaf with 21%, and BC Wheat Co. with 14%. Alright guys, I want to check their 2020 results. I'm gonna read the highlights with you guys. Completed financial restructuring and eliminated $227 million aggregate principal amount of debt during 2020. Guys, this one is huge. $60.4 million unrestricted cash on hand at December 31, 2020 and $719 million unrestricted cash on hand at March 15, 2021. Gross revenue increased by 10% to $73.3 million in 2020 compared to the prior year. Branded net cannabis sales increased to 75% of total cannabis sales in 2020 from 20% in previous year as Sundial transitioned from wholesale to branded retail sales. Net cannabis revenue for the fourth quarter of 2020 was $13.9 million, an increase of 8% over the third quarter of 2020. General and administrative costs were reduced by 18% in 2020 as a result of cost reduction initiatives to $32 million compared to $38.9 million in the previous year. Committed $58.9 million in the fourth quarter of 2020 and a further $31.5 million subsequent to year-end in strategic cannabis-related portfolio investments. Generated realized investment income and fees subsequent to year-end of $9.3 million. Alright guys, let's go to the conclusions. With the information about the company and with the 2020 results, we should also mention that just 2 months ago, they reached $3. I believe that the company could go back to $3 by the end of the year, which is my price target for the company. Back in 2019, they had a debt of $200 million, but in 2020, they had a debt of only $1 million. Guys, this is huge. They're going bigger, they're getting more sales. People from the stock market are talking a lot about the company. I don't see any reason for the price to stay at less than $1 for too long. From what I can see, they have a great future, and I'd like to see what happens with the company in the next months. The whole penny market dipped like a bloodbath, but I think the recovery is coming soon, and SNDL will be included. Alright smart investors family, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you can, do not forget to like this video and join the family by subscribing to our channel. I would like you to comment your true opinion about this video, and by that, I will be able to understand how I can help you better. Let me know if you hold this stock or planning to invest soon in the comments. And last thing, if you have a hot stock that you want me to help you do the research, please write it in the comments. Goodbye smart investors!